1/4 inch, maybe not.
Yeah, looks cool. One string's big man.
There's no sense in fighting with it. You got 3 bolts to put in, so it's not like it's gonna come loose.
Are you live?
No, I can't. My signal too weak, too weak.
There you go. You do all 3 of them right away?
I think top and bottom. Top and bottom's plenty. They sent all those washers and 2 nuts and bolts.
What about, you got something for this side?
No. Well, out in the shop I do.
Yeah, put the fucking retards. Might as well grab your little ratchets right away.
What do you think, Dennis? Can you say something?
I can say we're almost done.
Oh, nice. Nice.
And we're gonna pack up and go home, and I'm gonna get mine finished up. I gotta go to the hardware store too and pick up some batteries for my game camera.
What are you gonna do for your game camera? Put some camera on the.
I'm gonna
In
put
the
my game
woods?
camera out in the woods this weekend.
Out
Keep
in the
an eye
woods.
on the wildlife.
I see. I see.